motorcycle built for riders who think ordinary road trips are just too small of an adventure. Today, we're diving into something that looks like it rolled straight out of a touring enthusiast's dream garage, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Camper Trike. This machine takes the legendary comfort and long-distance reputation of Honda's Goldwing and stretches it into a completely different category, blending luxury touring, three-wheel confidence, and compact camping capability into one seriously eye-catching package. Whether you're a hardcore motorcycle traveler or someone who simply loves unique vehicles, this is one ride that deserves attention. At first glance, the biggest thing that stands out is the transformation from the traditional two-wheel Goldwing into a full camper trike setup. The standard Goldwing has always been known as one of the kings of touring motorcycles, but this version pushes practicality and comfort to another level. Instead of simply carrying luggage for a weekend ride, the camper trike concept is aimed at riders who want the freedom to travel long distances and spend nights on the road without worrying too much about hotels or heavy camping gear. It's basically a motorcycle built for road trip lovers who want the spirit of adventure mixed with premium comfort. Starting with performance, the heart of the machine remains the famous flat-six engine that has helped define the Goldwing name for decades. The smooth six-cylinder motor delivers strong low-end torque and effortless highway cruising power, making long-distance travel feel almost effortless. Unlike aggressive sport bikes that demand constant shifting and high revs, this powertrain is designed for relaxed confidence. Twist the throttle and the power delivery feels smooth, predictable, and refined, which becomes incredibly important when you're managing a larger touring trike with additional camping equipment. Highway overtakes feel comfortable rather than stressful, and even fully loaded, the engine has enough muscle to handle hills and long stretches of open road without struggling. One thing many riders appreciate about the Goldwing platform is how refined it feels, and that refinement carries over into this camper trike setup. You're not getting rough vibrations or an engine that feels overworked. Instead, you get a premium touring experience where the motorcycle almost feels like it glides over distance. Long rides become less tiring because the engine isn't screaming for attention. That means you can focus more on the scenery, the journey, and the simple joy of being out on the road. Now, let's talk about the trike conversion itself, because this is where things get really interesting. A traditional motorcycle demands balance, especially at lower speeds, but a trike setup completely changes the riding experience. For many riders, especially older touring enthusiasts or people who may not feel comfortable balancing a heavy touring bike anymore, three wheels provide added confidence. You don't have to worry about tipping over at stoplights or when maneuvering in parking lots. It makes the machine more accessible to riders who still want adventure without the physical challenge of controlling a heavyweight bike on two wheels. That said, riding a trike is different from riding a standard motorcycle. Instead of leaning naturally into corners, the handling feels more planted and automotive in some ways. There's a learning curve if you're switching from traditional bikes, but the reward is improved stability and peace of mind. On long highway trips, especially in windy conditions or when carrying extra cargo, the camper trike setup feels reassuringly solid. Comfort has always been one of Honda Goldwing's strongest selling points, and the 2026 camper trike version takes that reputation seriously. The seating position is designed for all-day travel, with plush seating, excellent back support, and ergonomics that reduce fatigue over long distances. Wide seats, comfortable passenger accommodations, and a relaxed riding posture mean this isn't a machine built for quick weekend blasts. It's designed for crossing states, provinces, or even countries without feeling destroyed afterward. Wind protection is another area where the Goldwing shines. The large front fairing and adjustable windshield help shield the rider from harsh wind, road debris, and weather changes. On a long-distance trip, that protection matters more than people realize. Riding for hours while constantly fighting wind pressure can be exhausting, but this setup minimizes fatigue and allows for a calmer experience. Add heated grips, heated seating options, and advanced comfort features, and suddenly long cold rides become far more enjoyable. Technology is another big talking point. Honda has packed the Goldwing platform with premium features over the years, and the camper trike benefits from those innovations. Expect a large infotainment display, navigation capability, smartphone integration, Bluetooth connectivity, and premium audio systems that make road trips more entertaining. Imagine cruising down endless highways with your favorite playlist, GPS guiding the way, and a communication system that keeps you connected while still enjoying the freedom of motorcycling. For riders who love tech, this setup feels surprisingly modern. Safety features also deserve attention because a machine this size needs smart engineering behind it. Advanced braking systems, traction control, ride modes, and reverse assist can make operating the camper trike much easier. Reverse gear is especially useful because nobody wants to manually push around a heavy touring machine loaded with camping gear. Features like electronic suspension adjustment can also improve ride quality by adapting to different road conditions and load weights, helping maintain stability whether you're riding solo or fully packed for a week-long trip. Now let's focus on the star attraction, the camper aspect. This is where the machine separates itself from ordinary touring bikes. Depending on the setup, the rear section often integrates compact camping functionality that transforms overnight travel into something much more convenient. Instead of carrying a separate tent and bulky luggage, riders may have fold-out sleeping arrangements, organized storage compartments, or smart camping accessories built into the Trike system. It's not luxury RV camping, of course, but it offers freedom. You can stop near scenic routes, national parks, lakes, or roadside campgrounds and settle in without needing much preparation. For many people, that freedom is the biggest selling point. The idea of waking up near mountains, oceans, forests, or quiet countryside roads without hotel reservations sounds incredibly appealing. The camper trike lifestyle isn't just about transportation, it's about independence and experience. You ride where you want, stop where you want, and create your own adventure on your own schedule. Design-wise, the 2026 Honda Goldwing camper trike definitely turns heads. It combines the futuristic touring bike styling of the Goldwing with the muscular stance of a trike and the practicality of a compact camper. The wide rear section gives it a commanding road presence, while chrome accents, LED lighting, aerodynamic bodywork, and premium finishes help maintain that upscale Honda touring identity. This is not a subtle machine. People are going to stare, ask questions, and probably take photos at gas stations. Despite its size, the design doesn't feel clumsy. Everything appears intentional, from the integrated storage solutions to the sleek body lines. Honda has always understood that premium touring riders care about aesthetics as much as functionality, and the camper trike reflects that balance. It looks adventurous without appearing awkward, which is surprisingly hard to achieve with larger touring conversions. Fuel efficiency may not be the first thing buyers think about here, but for a machine focused on long-distance travel, it still matters. While a trike with camping equipment naturally adds weight, the Goldwing's refined engineering helps maintain reasonable touring efficiency for its category. More importantly, the larger fuel range means fewer stops, which becomes a major advantage when exploring remote highways or scenic routes with limited fuel stations. Of course, this kind of motorcycle isn't for everyone. It's larger, heavier, and more expensive than traditional touring bikes. If you prefer aggressive corner carving or lightweight city commuting, this may feel excessive. Parking requires more space, maneuvering takes practice, and ownership costs may be higher. But that's not really the audience Honda is aiming for here. This machine is for travelers, explorers, and riders who believe the journey matters just as much as the destination. In the end, the 2026 Honda Goldwing camper trike feels like a celebration of freedom on the open road. It takes everything riders already admire about the Goldwing: comfort,